Basically, this chapter lesson second in class 9 already given in your syllabus about longitudes and latitudes. What are the importance of the latitudes and longitudes line? First of all, anyone able to give me what is the true shape of the earth? Anyone able to give me answer? What is the true shape of the earth? Yes, Pragati. Stand up, beta.
Sir, oblate spheroid.
Exactly. Right answer, beta. Well done. The true shape of the earth is oblate spheroid. Understand? Oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. Okay. Just like you can say in another word, orange. Okay. Just like orange. Here, this is North Pole, and here, this is South Pole. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And this is oblate spheroid. You can say in simple language is spherical in shape. Is spherical in shape. Clear? Is spherical in shape. So, I think you have clear the name of the true shape of the earth. It is also known as geoid. Geoid. Understand? G-E-O-I-D, geoid. There are three names: geoid, oblate spheroid, and spherical in shape. Clear? But most popular name is geoid. Clear? Understand?
Yes, sir.
If anyone asks you what is the true shape of the earth, your response would be geoid. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And suppose that you are not able to memorize, you can say oblate spheroid. Suppose that you are not able to memorize, you can say spherical in shape. Clear? Now, first of all, we try to understand major latitudes. This is a parallel line over the globe, and you can see this parallel line is an imaginary line. Imaginary line. This is an imaginary line. This is not drawn on earth. This is drawn on globe. Is it clear? And it is known as 0° latitudes and by name equator. Clear? Equator. And another major important latitude is here 23.5° north. Understand?
Yes, sir.
You can make this a diagram. Okay?
Yes, sir.
23.5°. And this imaginary line or latitude line known as Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Clear? And now in southern hemisphere, same line drawn here. This is known as 23.5° south, and by name
Tropic of Capricorn.
we recognize Tropic of
Capricorn.
not Cancer, beta. Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Clear? And another major latitude over the globe here. This is 66.5° north latitude, or you can say this is parallel imaginary line, and same as it is in southern hemisphere. This is a 66.5 degree south, and this is known as Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is Antarctic Circle, and here Arctic. Arctic Circle. Okay. Here it is circle because it is cut in shape. Understand? How many total latitude lines are there? Do you know? Anyone stand? 181. How many? 181. Just a minute. Total number of latitude are 181. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now first of all we try to understand how we count 181 because the here 0 degree latitude,
Yes, sir.
and from 0 degree to here North Pole 90 degree, 90 degree, and each parallel line drawn on globe, and their difference is 1 degree. 1 degree. From one latitude to another latitude, distance is 1 degree. Okay. So 0 degree to 90 degree, there are total 90 parallel or imaginary lines, that is known as latitudes. How many? 90. Here, right here 90, and after that in southern hemisphere, same condition applied from 0 degree to here North Pole 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 latitudes line drawn on globe. So in southern hemisphere plus 90. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But here
180.
180. Something wrong.
Yes, sir.
Equator line.
Exactly. We include here equator. Equator also. Understand? Including equator, there are
181.
latitudes.
Latitude.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So all these major latitudes and total 181 latitude drawn as an imaginary line on globe. Clear this concept?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose that this is globe.
Yes, sir.
Maybe not perfect, okay, but just for understanding, this is 0 degree prime meridian. This is vertical line, and it is also imaginary line drawn on globe, and it joining to the North Pole and South. Here North Pole,
Yes, sir.
here North Pole, and here
South Pole.
South Pole. Is it clear? There are 2 hemispheres here,
Yes, sir.
already visible.
Yes, sir.
There are 4 hemispheres. In previous classes I have already taught you about 4 hemispheres: Northern Hemisphere,
Sir.
Southern Hemisphere, and eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So here visible eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere and here western hemisphere.
Yes, sir.
This is the equator line, 0 degree equator line, and equator line divide the earth into two parts. Okay, northern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere,
Yes, sir.
and here southern hemisphere. Here, beta.
Yes, sir.
And here eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. But what is difference between two hemisphere? Here main role playing by vertical line, means
Primary.
this vertical line, this is the imaginary line, and this is known as
Primary.
prime meridian. What?
Primary.
Prime meridian and 0 degree prime meridian. 0 degree prime meridian. And already I have thought about this 0 degree equator line. And here northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere divided by which line?
Equator.
Equator line. Eastern and western hemisphere divided by prime meridian and one more longitudes, that is known as 180 degree meridian. 180 degree meridian. But here not possible to show the 180 degree meridian on globe. I will show you. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So there should be no confusion. Both meridian, 180 degree meridian and prime meridian, divide the whole earth into two hemispheres. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And now we try to understand another longitude line drawn on globe. All are the imaginary lines. Okay. What? Drawn on globe. Okay. All are the longitudes. Is it clear? And here, same as it is. This side in western hemisphere. All are the major
Longitude.
longitude. Okay, this is 66
And a half.
and a half degree
North.
north, and here also
66 degrees and a half south. West north.
66
And a half degrees
and a half degree
south.
south latitude line. So this is a roughly shape, not perfect, but our understanding, I think this is
Primary.
okay.
Yes.
Better if you will draw with pencil, you can draw better. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Towards eastern hemisphere, there are 179
9.
okay,
Yes, sir.
and in western hemisphere
179.
179.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes.
how much it is?
359. Next 58.
3,
58.
not 59, 58. Okay,
Yes, sir.
here also something wrong.
Sir, primary.
Prime meridian and
180 degree
And primary.
and prime meridian I have not included. So I am going to include 180 degree, 180 degree meridian plus
Prime meridian.
prime meridian. So
360.
360 meridian.
Longitude, sir.
360 degree
Longitude.
meridian. Here already circle is also made in 360 degree. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And the interval of the east meridian. The interval of the east meridian is 1 degree. Suppose that 1 degree.
Yes, sir.
So in eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, total 360
Meridian.
meridians. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And one most important thing, keep in your mind, 180 degree meridian neither include in northern hemisphere nor southern hemisphere. That is common. Clear?
Yes, sir.
180 degrees are common. Just like prime meridian. Just like prime meridian. So both this is also not included in northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. Common line.
Yes, sir.
Common imaginary line. Any query?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Great. Now in next representation, we try to understand the importance of the longitudes and latitude lines.